In this tutorial, I'll show you how to send result emails using the RevenueHunt app. You'll learn how to send quiz results to customers automatically, receive a notification email when someone completes a quiz, and connect your own email server using simple mail transfer protocol. First, let's learn how to send quiz results to customers. To begin, open your quiz in the quiz builder. Make sure your quiz includes an email address question. If it doesn't, simply add a new email address question or insert an email block into an existing question. Now return to the dashboard, go to your quiz settings, and open the tab labeled Emails to Respondents. Enable the option Send an email when someone completes the quiz. Once enabled, a customizable email template will appear. In the Email To dropdown, choose which quiz question contains the customer's email. This tells the app where to send the results. Then, fill in the Reply To address, usually your company email, so customers can respond if they have questions. Set your email subject, such as your quiz results. Below, you'll find the Email Liquid template. This template automatically includes the result page content, including recommended products, sections, and any text blocks you've added. You can fully customize this email using Liquid syntax and metadata from the quiz. What's metadata? It includes everything the user submitted during the quiz: their name, email, all quiz answers, tags, product recommendations, and even the structure of the results page. To insert specific data into the email, use the code snippets provided below the template. For example, if you want to list the customer's answers, click on the Responses by Block snippet to copy it, then paste it at the top of the email template. You'll see the preview panel update in real time with the changes. If you don't like the layout, you can always reset the template to default by choosing one of the preset styles. If you need help styling your emails, you can ask your developer or even paste the Liquid code into AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude to reformat it. By default, these emails are sent from RevenueHunt's servers. But if you want to send them from your own domain, you can set up SMTP. Just click the SMTP settings link, and we'll walk through that setup in part 3 of this video. Once your email is ready, use the preview feature to test it with real responses. If everything looks good, click Save in the top bar. Now, every time someone completes your quiz, they'll automatically receive a personalized result email. To test the flow, click Preview Quiz, complete the quiz with a sample email, and check your inbox for the result. Now let's set up email notifications for yourself or your team. Go to your quiz settings, then to the tab labeled Emails to Self. Enable Receive an email when someone completes the quiz. You'll now see a new email template. Enter the recipient email, for example, your personal or company email. Add a subject line like New Quiz Submission and customize the template as needed. By default, this email shows all quiz answers. But again, you can use our code snippets to add personal information, answers, or any other data. To insert user info, click the Personal Information snippet and paste it into the top of the email template. You can also reset this email to the default layout if needed. If you need help styling your emails, you can ask your developer or even paste the Liquid code into AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude to reformat it. When you're happy with the content, click Save. Now you'll receive an email notification every time someone completes the quiz. Take a test quiz to confirm that the email reaches your inbox. Let's move on to setting up Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. SMTP allows you to send emails from your own domain instead of RevenueHunt's servers. Go to App Settings, then open the SMTP Settings tab. Here, you'll enter the Simple Mail Transfer Protocol credentials provided by your email service. This information is usually found in your email provider's documentation. Just search for SMTP settings and your provider name. You can also check our docs for links to common providers. For this tutorial, we'll use email credentials from a free service called Ethereal. We'll copy the email address and fill it in the SMTP from field together with the sender title. Next, paste the server address, which usually starts with SMTP. Then enter your username and password, often the same as your email login, though some platforms like Gmail may require an app-specific password. Enter the correct port number. Choose the authentication method, like plain, and select the appropriate security setting. Once everything is filled out, click Save to test the connection. Be sure to double-check the values. A single typo may cause the connection to fail. If the test is successful, all emails to respondents and admins will now be sent from your own email server. And that's it! You've now learned how to send result emails to quiz respondents, receive notifications when someone completes a quiz, and set up SMTP to send emails from your own domain. To learn more, visit our Help Center at docs.revenuehunt.com.